Welcome back. Today I'm going to go over a brief tutorial on how you can set up your new CRM. Now this video is specific to using the high-level software. So once you have signed up for and logged into your high-level account, these are the steps you'll follow to get things integrated. All right, so logging in, you'll want to make sure that you click on your Launchpad. And from there, we're going to go through the specific steps and how they are relevant to your business. Step number one is you're going to want to download the high-level app onto your Android or Apple device. This is very simple. You can simply click on send link, put your phone number in, and send by clicking on continue. That will prompt you with a link that takes you to your app store and allows you to download the free app. Importance of this is speed to lead. This is something I talk about frequently, but the whole point of a CRM is that you can follow up with and nurture your prospects more efficiently, right? So having your CRM in the palm of your hand while you're on the go allows you the ability to cut down on your time in responding to prospects. Now, based on data, we know that the faster you're able to respond, the more likely you are to convert someone. Keep that in mind, okay? Next is your Google My Business. You will want to integrate your Google business listing with the high-level platform. Again, very straightforward. You'll click on connect. You'll make sure that you log into the appropriate Google account and follow the prompts. This will allow you to send things like review requests and manage your Google Analytics directly in the high-level platform, right? Next is to connect with your Facebook profile. Now, again, you're going to want to be using your business Facebook page for full functionality. Now, this is super, super important. Same thing here, very straightforward. Click on connect, click on got it, and then log into your account. It will prompt you with all of the appropriate steps, right? The next thing I was going to mention is the importance of connecting with your Facebook account. If you intend on running paid ads or anything of that nature, you are going to want to have the two integrated again, because when leads come in via ads, you will be able to set up automations to respond to them immediately. Super powerful. You're also able to connect your website using a chat widget. So any website that anyone has, you can set up this chat widget by clicking through the prompts again. Now, the nice thing is it will ask people if they're on your website and have a question, whether or not you can connect with them, right? So you'll go through these steps, you'll copy the widget code, and then you will install it directly on your website, all right? If this is something you need more help with, you can always contact me for support. Pretty straightforward. If you're using a different web software, it's very simple to just paste the web chat widget into your existing website. Finally, we are going to continue on with the next step, which is connecting your Stripe account, all right? Stripe, a payment processor, one that many of us use in the digital marketing and services industry. It's very simple. You can simply set up a Stripe account at stripe.com. From there, you'll connect and log into your Stripe. Straightforward here. You'll simply type in the email address that is associated with the business and then log in with your Stripe account and credentials, right? Next, we will move on to adding your team members. Now, email addresses is the most straightforward way to do this. So you could type in people's email addresses and press enter. I'm already in the account, so it's not going to allow you to send me an invite, but this is the most straightforward way to add people. Just a quick side note, if you want to toggle folks' permissions within your business, you can go to your settings wheel, click on My Staff, add an employee as such, first name, last name, email, phone number, password. You can put in a placeholder password and have them create their own password once they log in. User permissions, you can toggle which things they are able to see on their side of high level. User roles, you can assign them as either a user or an administrator. And then of course you can add and enhance things by selecting their call and voicemail settings, user availability, and configuring their calendar if applicable to your business. Just a little side note there. Now, the other place that you can go to manage your integrations is under your settings and on the integrations tab. So once you've connected the things that are available to you on the Launchpad, there are some additional options that may be relevant to your business, including QuickBooks, Clio, Shopify, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Slack. If these are tools that you're using for your business, integrations is where you can, same thing, follow the prompts and connect the associated account. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, tools, and information.